Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Tech, where we break down the coolest tech tips and tricks to make your life easier. In today's video, we're diving into iOS 17, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. We've uncovered 5 hidden features that most people have no idea exist. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button if you find this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming tech guides. Let's get started. Starting off strong with a feature that will change how you interact with your iPhone every day: interactive widgets. In iOS 17, Apple finally made widgets more useful. You can now take action directly from the widget without having to open the app. For example, with the Reminders widget, you can mark tasks as complete right from your home screen. Same goes for the Music widget. Control your songs without diving into the app. It's all about saving time and keeping things smooth. Next up, we have contact posters, a hidden gem for customizing your calling experience. You can now personalize how your contact information appears on someone else's phone when you call them. You can choose a photo, memoji, or even a specific font for your name. It's a super cool way to express yourself and make your contacts feel a little more personal. Plus, it's fun to see what others choose when they call you. Feature number 3 is standby mode, a new under-the-radar feature that turns your iPhone into a smart display when charging in landscape mode. Standby gives you quick access to time, widgets, and live activities like timers and weather updates. If you have a MagSafe charger, it becomes even more useful because it works like a mini smart hub at your bedside or desk. Who knew your iPhone could double as a smart assistant? Now this one's for all you networkers out there. iOS 17 introduces NameDrop, a super sleek way to share contact info with other iPhone users. Instead of manually typing out numbers, just bring your phone close to another iPhone and boom! Your contact details will transfer instantly. It's like AirDrop, but specifically for contact info. So the next time you're at a conference or meeting new people, sharing contact details just got a whole lot easier. Last but not least, let's talk about voice isolation for calls. This feature, hidden in the settings, dramatically improves call quality by focusing on your voice and cutting out background noise. It's perfect for those noisy environments, whether you're in a coffee shop, on public transport, or even outside with wind noise. To turn this on, during a call, swipe down to access the control center, tap mic mode, and select voice isolation. Your calls will sound crystal clear from now on. And there you have it. Those are 5 hidden features in iOS 17 that you probably didn't know about. But now that you do, you can make the most of them and impress your friends with your iPhone knowledge. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll never miss another iOS tip or tech tutorial from your channel name. Let us know in the comments below which feature blew your mind and if you have any other hidden features we should check out. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.